Nothing can stop the man with the right mental attitude from achieving his goal. Nothing on earth can help the man with the wrong mental attitude. Thomas Jefferson. The secret to unlocking your full potential lies not in your actions, but in your thoughts. It's a simple truth, yet one that has the power to revolutionize your world. Deep within you lies an extraordinary force, waiting to be unleashed. It's a force that shapes your reality, influences your experiences, and determines the course of your life. The most incredible part? You have complete control over it. Your thoughts are the architects of your destiny. They hold the power to elevate you to new heights or keep you trapped in the familiar. It's time to harness this incredible power and create the life you truly desire. The path to change is often paved with good intentions, yet many find themselves stumbling along the way. Perhaps you've experienced this yourself, the initial burst of motivation that slowly dwindles, leaving you feeling frustrated and disheartened. It's a common struggle, and one that stems from a fundamental misunderstanding of how lasting transformation truly occurs. We've been conditioned to believe that change requires immense effort and unwavering willpower. We set ambitious goals, create detailed plans, and push ourselves to the limit, only to find that our enthusiasm wanes and old habits creep back in. It's a cycle that leaves us feeling exhausted and defeated, wondering why change seems so elusive. The truth is, relying solely on willpower is like trying to build a house on a shaky foundation. It might stand for a while, but eventually it will crumble. Willpower is a finite resource, and when we exhaust it, we're left vulnerable to the temptations and challenges that inevitably arise. Furthermore, many of us carry a heavy burden of self-doubt. We question our abilities, fear failure, and hesitate to step outside our comfort zones. This internal dialogue of negativity undermines our efforts and sabotages our progress. Another common obstacle is feeling overwhelmed by the sheer magnitude of change. When we try to tackle too much at once, we become paralyzed by the vastness of the task ahead. We lose sight of the individual steps needed to reach our goals, and the journey seems insurmountable. Traditional approaches to change often focus on external action. We try to change our behaviors, habits, and circumstances, hoping that these external changes will lead to internal transformation. While external action is important, it's not enough. It's like rearranging the furniture in a cluttered room. It might look different for a while, but the underlying mess remains. The key to lasting change lies not in what we do, but in how we think. Our thoughts are the seeds from which our reality grows. They shape our beliefs, attitudes, and emotions, and ultimately determine our actions and experiences. When we neglect our internal thoughts, we're essentially trying to change the fruit without addressing the root of the tree. We might see temporary improvements, but the underlying patterns that create our problems will persist. It's time to shift our focus from external action to internal transformation. By understanding the power of our thoughts and learning how to consciously choose them, we can break free from the limitations that hold us back and create a life that truly reflects our desires. This is not about positive thinking or wishful thinking. It's about recognizing the fundamental connection between our thoughts and our reality, and harnessing that connection to create lasting change. It's about understanding that our thoughts are not just fleeting ideas, but powerful forces that shape our lives. So how do we make this shift? How do we break free from the limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns that keep us stuck? The answer lies in understanding the workings of our minds and learning how to use them to our advantage. Your mind is a fertile garden. The thoughts you plant in this garden are the seeds that will ultimately determine the landscape of your life. Will it be a vibrant oasis of flourishing possibilities, or a barren wasteland of unfulfilled dreams? The choice is yours. Your thoughts are not mere fleeting ideas, but powerful forces that shape your reality. They are the architects of your experiences, the sculptors of your emotions, and the painters of your world. Every thought you have, whether conscious or unconscious, sets in motion a chain of events that will ultimately manifest in your life. Your thoughts are like magnets, attracting experiences and circumstances that align with their frequency. Positive thoughts attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts attract negative ones. When you choose to focus on thoughts of abundance, gratitude, and joy, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. Consider this. If you constantly tell yourself that you're not good enough, you'll inevitably attract situations that confirm that belief. But if you choose to affirm your worthiness and believe in your abilities, you'll start to see opportunities and successes that were previously hidden from view. This is not about denying the existence of challenges or pretending that everything is always perfect. It's about understanding that our perception of reality is filtered through the lens of our thoughts. When we change the lens, we change the view. The way you think about yourself and the world around you has a profound impact on your experiences. If you believe that life is a struggle, you'll find yourself constantly battling against obstacles. But if you believe that life is a gift, you'll find yourself appreciating the beauty and abundance that surrounds you. The good news is, you have the power to choose your thoughts. You are not a passive victim of your circumstances, but an active creator of your own reality. By consciously selecting the thoughts you allow to take root in your mind, you can transform your entire life. When you plant seeds of positivity, optimism, and self-belief, you create a fertile ground for growth and expansion. You attract opportunities, inspire others, and cultivate a sense of inner peace and joy. It's important to recall that your thoughts are not set in stone. You have the ability to change them, to reprogram your mind for success and happiness. It may not always be easy, but with practice and dedication, you can create a mental landscape that supports your dreams and aspirations. This is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. As you learn to master your thoughts, you'll tap into a wellspring of creativity, resilience, and inner strength. You'll become the architect of your own destiny, shaping your reality with the power of your mind. So what kind of thoughts will you choose to cultivate? Will you focus on fear, doubt, and limitation? Or will you accept courage, confidence, and possibility? The choice is yours. And with every choice you make, you're one step closer to creating the life you truly desire. The thought shift is not simply about thinking positive thoughts. It's about understanding the profound connection between your conscious and subconscious mind, and leveraging that connection to create lasting change. Your subconscious mind is like a powerful computer that runs in the background, processing information and shaping your experiences. It's responsible for your habits, beliefs, and automatic reactions. When you consciously choose your thoughts, you're essentially programming this computer with new instructions. Visualization is a key component of the thought shift. When you vividly imagine your desires as if they're already happening, you create a powerful emotional response in your subconscious mind. This emotional response signals to your subconscious that your desires are real and attainable, which in turn motivates you to take action towards them. But visualization alone is not enough. You must also cultivate the feeling of having already achieved your desires. This is where the power of emotion comes in. When you feel the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment of having achieved your goals, you align your energy with the frequency of your desires, making them more likely to manifest in your life. This process differs from positive thinking in that it goes beyond mere affirmations. It involves a deep engagement of your emotions and a vivid visualization of your desired outcomes. By combining thought, feeling, and action, you create a powerful momentum that propels you towards your goals. The thought shift is a journey of self-discovery and transformation. It requires commitment, consistency, and a willingness to explore the depths of your own mind. But the rewards are immeasurable. Identify limiting beliefs. The first step is to become aware of the limiting beliefs that are holding you back. These are the negative thoughts and assumptions that you've been carrying around for years, perhaps even decades. They may be so ingrained in your subconscious that you're not even aware of them. Take some time to reflect on your thoughts and identify any patterns of negativity or self-doubt. Reframe negative thoughts. Once you've identified your limiting beliefs, it's time to reframe them. This means consciously choosing to replace negative thoughts with positive ones. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm not good enough," try affirming, "I am worthy and capable." Cultivate a positive mental model. Your mental model is the lens through which you view the world. It's made up of your beliefs, values, and assumptions about yourself and the world around you. By consciously choosing to focus on positive thoughts and beliefs, you can create a mental model that supports your goals and aspirations. Practice visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool for creating the reality you desire. Set aside time each day to vividly imagine yourself living your dream life. Engage all your senses, see, hear, feel, taste, and smell the experience. The more real you can make it, the more effective it will be. Maintain a consistent practice. The thought shift is not a one-time event, but an ongoing practice. Make it a habit to consciously choose your thoughts throughout the day. When negative thoughts arise, gently acknowledge them and then choose to replace them with positive ones. The thought shift is not a quick fix or a magic wand. It's a practice, a discipline, a way of life. Just as a sculptor chisels away at a block of marble to reveal the masterpiece within, you must patiently and persistently work on your thoughts to create the life you desire. There will be challenges along the way. Negative self-talk may rear its ugly head. Old habits may try to pull you back, and external influences may attempt to sway you from your path. But these challenges are not roadblocks. They are stepping stones on your journey to self-mastery. When faced with negative self-talk, acknowledge it, but don't let it define you. Recall that your thoughts are not facts, but simply interpretations of reality. Choose to focus on your strengths, your accomplishments, and your potential. Old habits may be deeply ingrained, but they are not unbreakable. Every time you choose a new thought, you're weakening the neural pathways of the old ones and strengthening the new ones. With persistence, you can rewire your brain for success and happiness. Recall that this is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. The most important thing is to keep moving forward, one thought at a time. As you continue to practice the thought shift, you'll start to notice a ripple effect in your life. Your transformed thoughts and feelings will naturally translate into positive actions, attracting new opportunities and inspiring those around you. When you radiate positivity and self-belief, you become a magnet for success. People are drawn to your energy, doors open for you, and synchronicities seem to occur with greater frequency. Your relationships deepen, your career flourishes, and your overall well-being improves. But the ripple effect goes beyond your own life. Your positive energy has a contagious quality that can uplift and inspire others. When you believe in yourself and your dreams, you give others permission to do the same. Your actions become a catalyst for change, creating a ripple effect that extends far beyond your own sphere of influence. This is the true power of the thought shift. It's not just about personal transformation, but about creating a better world for everyone. By choosing to focus on love, joy, and abundance, you contribute to a collective shift in consciousness. You become a beacon of hope, a source of inspiration, and a force for good in the world. The power to transform your life rests in your hands, or rather, in your mind. Take the first step on this exciting journey of self-discovery. Commit to practicing the thought shift, one thought at a time. Watch as your world begins to change, reflecting the beauty, joy, and abundance that you cultivate within. Remind yourself that you are the author of your own story, the creator of your own destiny. The possibilities are limitless. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are beyond measure. Awaken to the limitless potential within you and start creating the life you've always dreamed of. Like this video if it resonated with you, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content.